Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a wise, compassionate individual named Zaid. He believed in the power of modeling the way and demonstrating the values he held dear. Zaid's leadership journey began when he noticed the village facing various challenges: lack of unity and dwindling morale. So, instead of pointing fingers or assigning blame, Zaid decided to lead by example. One of the core values he wanted to instill in the community was hard work and dedication. He began by rolling up his sleeves and working alongside with the villagers in the fields. He demonstrated that no task was beneath anyone, and his commitment inspired others to follow suit. Slowly but surely, a collective spirit of diligence and shared responsibility began to permeate the village. Another value close to Zaid's heart was kindness. He made it a point to perform small acts of kindness every day, helping an elderly villager carrying groceries or comforting a child who had scraped their knee. His genuine compassion became contagious, and soon the villagers were supporting each other in similar ways. As season changed, so did the village. Unity replaced discord, hard work replaced apathy, and kindness replaced indifference. Zaid's action had not only modeled the way, but had also created a cultural shift in the village. So just like Zaid, let's stop pointing fingers at others or blaming others for failures. You may have the responsibility of head of the country or state or city, and things are not working the way they should. Understand that it's okay. Take one task at a time and work on it side by side with others to make it better. But along the way, be kind, be courteous, and be respectful. The change is not going to be overnight, but remember, small and steady wins the race. Help others reach their goal. Remember, leadership is not about titles, but making a positive impact. True leaders inspire others to succeed. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.